Hello friends, welcome to next video. In this tutorial we are going to learn about mirror entities. Talking about this, mirror is done in symmetric patterns. In Solidworks we often run into situations with hex, cap, screw or similar like that, where we need to make both left hand and a right hand version of a part. If that's the case, what we can do is we can simply select mirror entity and ease our sketch. The mirror entities feature can be found under the sketch tab in the command manager. So let's start. This is Solidworks. Open part and click OK. And to create mirror entity we have to sketch on the half of the part. Means if any object is symmetric, then we have to sketch half of its part. So let's sketch that part and okay, go to front plane or top plane, go to top plane and select sketch here. Simply you can do that. So this is top plane and we are going to sketch here. So first, for mirror entities, when we select mirror feature, it will ask you to pick the entities that you want to mirror. The line of symmetry you want to mirror, the construction line, that is construction line. A dimension can be added before or after the mirror depending on preference. So first of all, make the reference axis. So sketch line, choose your construction and begin. Okay, this is our axis of mirror where we can do mirror here. So press escape to deselect, to remove the entities you choose, and again go to here, line, and begin from origin. Okay. Okay. Here. Press escape and go to smart dimension. Here, put 50 here, and here put 40. Okay, this is here, and put this 30. Okay, your our sketch is going to be fully defined. So go to here, this and this, put dimension of 15, and our sketch is fully defined here. So if our sketch is fully defined, we have made half of the part and we are going to mirror it to make a complete figure. So just select the smart dimension and go to here, mirror entities, and it will ask you to select the entities to mirror, and we want to mirror all these sketch. So just do this and this and this. Okay, line 1 2 3, yes, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 5, and mirror about, choose this, and you can see preview. Okay, here, look at this. A mirror entity is very useful tool for us. And okay, and go to extrude here, both extrude, and put 50 is okay. So this is the preview. Look at this. We have created this from mirror using mirror entities. If we do not use mirror entities, then what you have to do is you have to make all these boundaries here, and you have to extrude. But using mirror entities, it is easier and it saves time for sketching figure. So this is very useful tool, and there are other useful tool like circular pattern. Here you can see circular pattern, mirror, linear pattern, and we'll discuss them in our next video. So please subscribe to our channel, like the video and put some comment, and motivate us to make new videos. So that okay, thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like the video.